I joined AUIS 5 years ago, and it was a great start for me. It was the threshold of success for me. And through AUIS, I learned a lot of things. I had experience internships and how to deal with people, businesses outside, students, networking, and of course that all taught me a lot of things, and especially the degree I got helped me a lot in applying for jobs. And now I'm only applying for jobs and waiting for the best opportunity so I can get it.
It's great to be here in this event. What I miss most about AUIS is this great environment of wonderful people, wonderful professors, and I miss my activities with my colleagues and my classmates. And AUIS has equipped me with a diverse range of knowledge in order to survive the outside world of work and job. And actually AUIS has prepared me to get my first job, which is a new position at the AUIS Testing Center. I'm now the coordinator of the testing center in the role.
Hi, my name is Seerwan, and I've recently graduated from AUIS. And I'm actually from Philly, and I've been living here for quite a few years now. And right now, after graduation, I actually applied for some jobs, and because of the degree that I have from here, it was so much easier to get accepted into those jobs because they're really looking for graduates from this university.
I decided to do something on my own, which I've always been interested in, and it's event planning. So I'm starting my own event planning company, which will be called Moments Event Planning. And I'm really excited about that. And honestly, if it wasn't because of AUIS, I would never have the courage to start my own company. And now I feel like I have the experience, I have the knowledge, and I can just right away throw myself into it and get started. And it's all because of everything that I've learned from AUIS.
Right now I'm working in Finance Telecom, in marketing department. Basically what I do, I make offers, make promotions, put new ideas to improve the business. And I also work in jewelry, Lamar jewelry. I think I miss the most about AUIS is the simple things that I see every day. Basically, when you enter to each lecture, you will meet a teacher from a different backgrounds. You meet teachers from USA, Canada, and London, and that basically will bring you out of new ideas, new parts of words, new views, new beliefs that you have never thought of, because it's different part of the world.
I was able to show my abilities, and with friends at Lafarge, I could immediately show who I am and how I can work. I would say AUIS is the reason why I am there and who I am at Lafarge. And if I had one word to explain AUIS, it would just be so simple. It's fun.
AUIS is a journey full of experience.
I would say courage.
AUIS in a single word would be enlightenment.
AUIS is just great.
My sentence, AUIS is a place to change and shape your life.
That's one word. I would say challenging.